Maraming nagtatanong sa akin kung paano mo ba mahanap yung ideal woman na para sa'yo. So first, i-define muna natin kung ano yung ideal woman. Sa ating mga lalaki, iba-iba tayo na tinatawag na ideal woman. So kung ikaw ay isang lalaki and you are a masculine guy, then most probably, ang ideal woman para sa'yo is a woman na may feminine qualities. So ano ba yung mga feminine qualities na yon? So siya ay caring, nurturing, supportive, and also aligned siya sa values, principles, and also sa mission and vision mo as a man. Kumbaga, she respects your leadership, reciprocates your energy, and also brings peace, inspiration, and clarity sa buhay mo. So, hindi siya nakikipagkompetensya sa purpose o kaya sa mission mo, sa pangarap mo, but she actually multiplies it. Kumbaga, ito yung right partner para sa'yo. Now, if you want to find your ideal woman, the number one mistake that you can do in order to find that woman is kung nanliligaw ka pa rin. Bakit? Because ligaw puts you in a position na you are trying to prove your worth. So, instead of trying to check kung compatible ba kayo pareho. Kasi pag nanliligaw ka, for sure, best foot forward ka. Habang yung babae naman, pakipot naman. So, paano mo ma-check kung compatible ba kayo o hindi? So, kapag nanligaw ka, you are trying to be liked. Kumbaga, you are trying to get her validation instead of leading her or inviting her to your world and check if compatible ba kayo pareho. The next reason kaya hindi gumagana ang ligaw, it's because wala kang clarity and also wala kang standard. Everything na gawin ng babae is okay lang sa'yo dahil nililigawan mo siya. So, nawawala dito yung self-respect mo, yung self-boundaries mo, kasi nga, you're trying to prove that you are the right man for her. In which, ang hinahanap nga natin dito, yung babaeng respeto ka, yung babaeng magsasubmit sa leadership mo, yung magpa-follow sa leadership mo, or kaya yung magmumultiply or susuporta sa current mong ginagawa ngayon. So, kaya pag nanliligaw ka, you are trying to chase yung feelings na tinatawag. Bilang lalaki, again, we are grounded. We feel emotions, but we don't let our emotions control us. So kapag nanligaw ka, you are chasing feelings instead of building a life. So ano instead ang solution? Ano yung magagawa mo in order for you to find your ideal woman? So ang pinaka-best na solution para mahanap mo yung ideal woman mo is ang tinatawag kong intentional dating. So dito sa intentional dating, ang meaning lang nito, you are dating with clarity, with purpose, and showcasing your leadership. So dito sa intentional dating, you don't date to impress her. Hindi mo kailangan i-prove yung worth mo. Kumbaga, ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, secure ka na that alam mo sa sarili mo that you are worthy. I know for sure you are trying to improve your worth. O kaya, andun ka na sa proseso, trying to improve your life. Wealth man yan, fitness man yan. Basta, everything you can do in order for you to achieve your best masculine version. So dito sa intentional dating, you're not proving anymore. Okay, you're not trying to chase her. Kumbaga, dito sa intentional dating, you are pursuing her, pero hindi na tayo nag-chase. You're not proving her that you are the best. Kumbaga, nililid lang natin siya sa mundo natin, and then i-check mo kung magpa-follow ba siya sa'yo, and i-check mo kung compatible ba kayo pareho. So with intentional dating, you date to find the right woman that fits your world. Ibig sabihin, yung babaeng compatible ngayon sa lifestyle mo, sa values and principles mo, and also sa mission mo sa buhay. So, intentional dating is not about chasing women to feel validated. Hindi mo kailangan i-fake yung confidence mo dito and use pick-up tactics or manipulation tactics. Kasi again, you are inviting her, you are leading her to your world. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan i-prove yung sarili mo sa kanya. You are inviting her to your world and check if compatible ba kayo and kung gusto ba niya dun sa mundo mo. So in this way, you are not forcing a connection with the wrong woman. Again, ang hinahanap natin dito yung babaeng ideal para sa'yo, yung fit sa buhay mo. So bakit ba intentional dating yung kailangan mo gawin? Because kapag nanligaw ka without direction, will always lead to disappointment. Kasi palagi kang magsisettle for less eh. Kumbaga, okay na siguro to. Nanligaw ka dahil nga ikaw best foot forward ka, tapos siya naman pakipot. Hindi nyo nakikita kung compatible ba kayo sa isa't isa kasi hindi kayo nagiging authentic, hindi kayo nagiging natural. So once naging kayo na, lumabas na yung tunay na kulay nyong dalawa, kumbaga yung authentic self nyo, Tapos nakita nyo, ay pucha, hindi pala kami compatible. What do you think yung mangyayari sa relationship nyo? So, nagsayang lang kayo ng oras, nagsayang lang kayo ng time, nagsayang ka lang rin ng money, if bandang huli, hindi lang rin pala kayo compatible. And also, kapag ginawa mo is intentional dating instead of panliligaw, wala ka sa posisyon that you are chasing the woman. Nilalagay natin sa posisyon yung sarili mo that you are the pursuer pero hindi ka mag-chase. Pursuer meaning ikaw yung magpa-first move, ikaw yung magli-lead, and then i-check mo kung magpa-follow o magsasubmit siya. Because with intentional dating, make sure natin that you are dating because you want to build a life and not just looking for another short-term relationship na sasayangin lang yung valuable resources mo, your time, energy, and money. In which dito talaga nagpi-fail yung ligaw. Kumbaga, hindi na applicable ngayon yung ligaw sa modern dating. Lalo na if you're a man who's trying to improve your value, be your best version, and gusto mo na makahanap ng partner na magmumultiply o magsusuporta sa buhay na gusto mong ginagawa. And dito, madalas nagpi-fail yung mga lalaki because number one, they keep chasing approval ng mga babae. They do this instead of leading. Again, we want to lead so women can follow. Number two, you date without standards or direction. So kapag hindi mo alam kung ano yung gusto mo sa isang babae, most likely, hindi mo mahanap yun. Most likely, magsisettle ka for less. Most likely, you won't find that ideal woman. And the next thing is, kapag nanligaw ka, is palagi kang mag-overthink instead of taking action. Now, with intentional dating, sobrang dali lang nito. So, meron lang tatlong phases when it comes to intentional dating. So, ang phases doon is, number one, your first move o yung tinatawag nating the approach. Mapa-text man yan or mapa-approach sa personal. Kunwari, nakita mo siya sa public. Next thing nun is kakausapin mo siya, aayain mo siya makipag-date. So, doon na tayo sa phase 2. Sa phase 2, dito nyo na i-check yung compatibility nyo together. Ito yung tinatawag nating, ito yung dating, intentional dating. You're trying to know yung nature ng babae, kung fit ba kayo sa isa't isa, kung maganda yung chemistry nyo together. And lastly, ang last phase, ito na yung exclusivity. If nakita mo that you and her is merong chemistry, then you can have an exclusive relationship with her. Depende kung anong setup yung gusto mo. So yun lang. Hopefully you like this video. Please like and subscribe kapag nakatulong sa inyo tong video na to. Dahil marami pa akong ilalabas na videos about men's personal development, pagdating sa dating, fitness, wealth, and relationship. So kung gusto mo pa na maraming videos na ganun, like, comment, and subscribe lang dito sa channel ko, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's go!